Chennai, and along with my wife Chamundeshwari, we look after this museum and this collection, which is known as Dastan Autoworld. The founder is Shri Pranlal Bhogilal, who passed away in 2011. And as the next generation of this museum and this collection, we are taking it ahead. We have finished 25 years in the year 2025, and after completing 25 years, we are celebrating it this in 26 with a film festival which starts on 27th February for 3 days. So 27th, 28th and 1st of March is the film festival over here at the museum, where we will show various films and cars which are which are in our collection, and also have inspired various films across the world in different countries and in different genres. So you will see that this coming weekend.
So what is the main objective behind this?
The idea is to connect the young and the old. That is the foremost agenda. To make the car as a living object, something that is alive in our minds, our thoughts and our emotions, and be able to pass the message that we have to always look back at the past, so to be inspired for the future as well. So these are some of the objectives that we have.